Sounds to me like we're gonna have French toast for lunch. My favorite.
Sounds to me like your tummy can't wait. Sounds like something's wrong with my car.
What's up, Huckle? A new mystery to solve?
No, Pig won't. Just something wrong with my car, I think.
Whatever it is, I will fix it.
No, you won't. I will fix it.
Me.
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 Me. Me.
Wait a minute. It's not my car making noise. It's Loli's hungry tummy. And the only thing that will fix that is a big plate of French toast.
There's only one thing we'd like more than French toast. More French toast!
Wait a second. That's not my tummy rumbling.
More French toast.